Good luck. Top 6 answers are on the board. Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Restaurants!
Restaurant.
Correct! Especially if the restaurant were out of service and if it's closing time.
Restaurant.
I know that.
Yes.
How about this one? Water parks.
Saan mo makikita ang sign na
Water parks
sorry,
or
we are
carnivals.
closed? Sa bars? Sa bar.
Ha?
Kung meron sa restaurant, malamang meron din sa bar. Services. Wala. Virgin, pass it.
We're gonna play.
Let's play round 2. Listen mo tayo. Really games. Here we go, Joyce. Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Office.
Government office.
Government office.
Services. Ganun. Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Salon.
Salon.
Okay?
Services.
Alright, let's see if it's there. Very good.
Yan. Ano ito?
Tindahan.
Tindahan.
Yes, convenience store.
Pwede, sa sari-sari store.
May uutang. Siguro sa dali na i-click yung sorry, we are closed. Nandiyan ba yung tindahan?
Wow, correct.
Top answer. Virgin, saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Water
Sa
parks.
bangko.
Sa bangko.
I think that my dad said that.
Usually kasi parang may mga nagra-rush. Biglang ako, hindi talaga umabot. Services.
Wow!
Joyce.
You're getting there.
Puro tama. I'm sure makukuha mo to. Guys.
Sayang.
Huddle na. Pwede na mag-huddle. Opya, one last. Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Convenience store.
Come on, that's the same as tindahan.
Services.
Wale!
Nandun na. Nandun na. Alright. Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed? Sa munisipyo. Munisipyo?
Okay.
Hey, James? Mall. Sa mall.
Pwede.
Hey, Jim? Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed? Barber shop?
That's the same as salon, dude.
Alright, grabe. Saan lang? Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed? Sa gym. Sa gym?
Wow, suwabe. Binigyan niya yung sarili niya sagot.
Nandiyan ba ang gym?
Wala! Told you. And I do believe kids love water park, so therefore water park or carnival must be there. Okay, studio audience, sabihin mo na. Sabihin mo na, what else is closed? Where you see the sign, so we're closed. Like water park, diba? Especially when the side needs repair. Water park. You haven't mentioned that yet.
Teka, namumukhaan kita, nanalo ka na nun eh. Kapatid ka ba ni Carlos Yulo? Anong pangalan mo? Jefferson. Yulo. Yulo. Jefferson. Teka, saan
Ano?
ka, Jefferson?
Pampanga!
Saan mo makikita ang sign na sorry, we are closed?
Sa mall!
Wait a sec, was that the answer said by one of the boys?
Sa mall. Services.
Wow! And if that were so, the contestant or the audience who was able to get the answer will get 5,000 peso cash.
Reveal number 6, please.
Sayang walang yung water park.
Sa ngayon, mga
Grabe
viewers
naman.
sa bahay,